Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Audacity error when opening a recording device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, if your Audacity app is currently open, go ahead and close it completely. This ensures that any changes we make to your system settings will be properly recognized when we relaunch the application later. Now, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu. From there, select Settings to access your system configuration options. This is where we'll adjust the privacy permissions that might be blocking Audacity from accessing your microphone. Once the Settings window opens, click on Privacy. This section controls which apps and programs can access various features on your computer, including your microphone and other recording devices. In the left sidebar, click on Microphone. This will bring up all the microphone-related permissions for your system, allowing you to control which applications have access to your recording hardware. Look for the option that says Allow apps to access your microphone. This is a master toggle that controls whether any applications on your computer can use the microphone at all. Make sure this toggle switch is turned on, as it's essential for Audacity to function properly. Next, scroll down and look for Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. This specific setting is crucial because Audacity is a desktop application, not a Windows Store app. Make sure this option is turned on as well. Without this enabled, desktop programs like Audacity won't be able to detect or use your microphone. Now we need to check your sound settings. In the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray. From the menu that appears, select Open Sound Settings. This will take you to a different area where you can manage your audio devices. Look for Manage Sound Devices and click on it. This option lets you enable or disable specific audio inputs and outputs on your system, giving you more control over which devices are available to your applications. In this section, look for Stereo Mix in the list of devices. Stereo Mix is a special recording option that captures audio playing through your computer's speakers, which is useful for recording system audio. Click on Stereo Mix, then click the Enable button to activate it. This gives you the flexibility to record not just from your microphone but also from your computer's audio output. With all the permissions and settings configured, open your Audacity app and wait for it to load completely. Give it a moment to initialize and detect all available recording devices now that the proper permissions are in place. Once Audacity is fully loaded, click on Audio Setup at the top of the interface. This menu controls all your audio input and output settings within the program. Then hover your mouse over Recording Device in the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available recording options. Select your preferred device such as microphone, speaker, or stereo mix. Remember, stereo mix is the option that records audio coming directly from your computer, like games, YouTube videos, or other music apps, while microphone captures external sound. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Audacity recording device error and configured your audio settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.